homogeneous substance is one which is perfectly uniform in composition. Every part is like every other part. This kind of matter that is homogeneous is called pure substance or substance. Compounds, elements, and solution are considered pure substances. Compound is a pure substance which can still be decomposed to simpler substances by ordinary chemical means. There are substances, however, which have not been decomposed to simpler substances by chemical means. These are the elements, but there are few elements which are spontaneously decomposing to simpler elements. These are the radioactive elements. Materials which is not uniform in their composition are impure or heterogeneous and are called mixtures. Mixture should be distinguished from solution in that while the two have variable compositions, solutions are homogeneous while mixtures are heterogeneous.
Materials: 1 gram nail, 1 gram salt, magnet, magnifying glass, mortar and pestle, glass, 3 ml alcohol, thermometer, 5 gram sodium chloride, and paper.
Element and compound. Letter A. Obtain 1 gram iron filings and 1 gram powdered sulfur. Carefully make a list of their properties and response to their magnetic attraction. B. Mix the two substances and grind them. Reserve the 1/2 of the sample mixture for part 2. Put the rest on the test tubing, then apply heat gently. As soon as the mass glow, withdraw from the flame quickly. Now heat for 2 minutes. Allow it to cool and examine the product. C. Place a 2 cm magnesium ribbon at the tip of the crucible tongs and ignite.
Procedures number 2. Mixtures. A. Examine the reserved sample of nail and salt from part 1 closely. If possible, use a magnifying glass. B. Place the magnet near the mixture. Observe if there is a magnetic attraction of the constituents. C. Add 3 ml of alcohol to a pinch of mixture. Take note that alcohol is flammable. Do not bring it to the flame.
Procedure 3 solutions. A. Place 5 grams of sodium chloride in a 20 ml water and stir. Place the solution in a 50 ml beaker. Had the salt dissolve. B. Heat the solution to boiling. Take the temperature of the solution at its boiling point. Be sure that the bulb of the thermometer should be immersed in the solution but not touch the bottom of the beaker. Take the temperature 2 times at 5-minute intervals. C. In like manner, heat an equal volume of water. Take the temperature at its boiling point for 2 times at 5-minute intervals. Record.
Elements and compounds. We are going to identify the properties of the two objects. First is iron fillings. Iron fillings is a black color. It is odorless. The solubility of iron fillings in water is insoluble, also in carbon disulfide. The magnetic attraction of iron fillings is ferromagnetic. Second, sulfur. The color of sulfur is pale yellow. It is also odorless. The solubility of sulfur in water is insoluble, but in carbon disulfide is soluble. The magnetic attraction of sulfur is diamagnetic. Can you distinguish the iron fillings from the sulfur as before? The iron fillings will stick to the magnet, while sulfur will not. What is the product form? When iron fillings is heated with sulfur, it will form a iron sulfide. Do they retain their original properties? No. The sulfur melts and iron start to react to form a iron sulfide.
Questions. Number 1. Differentiate an element from a compound. Elements and compounds are pure chemical substances found in nature. The difference between an element and a compound is that an element is a substance made of the same type of atom, whereas a compound is made of different element in different proportion. Number 2. Name 5 differences to contrast the properties of compound and mixture. Mixture is two or more substances that exist together in single place, whereas a compound is made of two or more elements. Mixture can be used to describe the one component other than liquid. Mixture can be separated individual part, and compound cannot be separated. Compound is made up of several two types of an atom, and mixture are made up or only one type of atom. Mixture are possible to change compound back into its original parts, while compound is possible with mixture. Number 3. What is pure substance? Pure substances are substances that are made up of only one kind of particle and have a fixed or constant structure. Pure substances are further classified as element and compound. All elements are mostly pure substance. A few of them include gold, copper, oxygen, chlorine, diamond. Compounds such as water, salt, or crystal, baking soda, amongst other are also grouped as pure substance. Number 4. Why should the bulb of the thermometer not touch the bottom of the beaker when taking the boiling point of the solution? The tip of the thermometer touches the beaker. The temperature of the glass beaker will be measured instead of the temperature of the solution. Number 5. Give 5 examples of each following elements: hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, silicon, magnesium. Compounds: water, hydrogen peroxide, salt, baking soda, octane. Solution: sugar in water, ethanol in water, water vapor in air, steel and brass. Mixture: sand and sugar, salt and gravel, sand and water, salt and oil, basket of produce.